This is another poem about nature, really, and it's called Only a Raindrop. A raindrop fell from out the sky, translucent, clear as crystal. It struck upon a window pane and lodged there, barely visible. A watery sun through dark clouds flung, its last ray swift and glancing. The raindrop blazed in minute joy, a golden teardrop dancing. Darkness came and extinguished the flame. Of colour the day was bled, when came the beam of a reflected gleam, firelight, liquid, ruby red. The coals flared up, the night pressed down. Frost crackled through leaf and grass, reached out his magical silvered wand, and a pearl glistened, soft against glass. Crystal, gold, ruby, pearl, deposited in a raindrop, which faded away in the light of day and vanished. Whither? Heavenwards?